Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make glass noodle salad. It's a delicious dish in any Thai home. So glass noodle salad has wonderful bright flavor with a lot of refreshing crunchy vegetable. I guarantee it will become a favorite salad. Start with the preparing our ingredients. First we need to cut or slice the onions and also tomato. For the tomato, you can use the big one or the little one like this. It would be fine. And then cut the celery and also the cilantro. And the last one is the chili, but if you doesn't like the spicy, you can skip for this. And the first we need to soak the noodle in the room temperature for about 7 or 10 minutes until it's soft, and then cut the noodle to be the shorten them. Bring a pot of the water to a boil, add glass noodle and cook about 2 minutes, and then remove from the water. And then add the fresh shrimp, or you can add another meat like a chicken or fish or other kind of the meat into the remaining liquid and cook about 1 minute. It's ready for shrimp, don't overcook it. And then pour out the cooking water, leaving it just enough water to cover the bottom, and return the pot back on the stove. Add our pork into the pot and also add half tablespoon of the soy sauce. And stir until fully cooked. And now it's time to make the salad sauce. We use the lemon juice with the fish sauce. It's the same quantity. Today we use 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice and also 3 tablespoons of the fish sauce, and also add half tablespoon of the palm sugar, and then mix everything well. and add the chili, onions, and also tomato into the sauce and also mix it well. And add the pork that we already cooked. Add shrimp and add noodle into the mixing bowl. And add the cilantro and also the celery. This one, if you like a lot, you can add more. And also the peanut. And mix it well, and then it's ready to serve. At the final, you can sprinkle the peanut and serve immediately. And now it's ready. I hope you give this try for this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.